Here we have a screen protector. It's delicate touch, easy application, bubble free, and it doesn't scratch as easily, so that's really nice. So it includes a screen protector, microfiber cloth, dust remover sticker, cleaning wipes, and installation guide. So this is how it looks. This is for the new Samsung phone, and I'm just gonna take this out and show you guys what you get with this. And it comes with all these here. I dropped the microfiber towel, but here it has this so you can place your phone, and it's really nice because doing it by yourself, freehanding it, is hard. So I'm glad it comes with the little thing so you can put your phone. It comes with a cleaning cloth, four of them actually. And it also comes here to, like, if you do end up getting any bubbles, to scrape it all off. Here is the installation guide so you can read it. And I really like that this kit included this because not a lot of things do. This is like so it doesn't slide around while you're in the middle of cleaning it or doing anything. So if you accidentally, especially if you're on a glossy table, this will help it stay in place. And it comes with dust removers as well. What is this? These are some tips that they have, how to solve fingerprint unlock problem and all this. So this is a really nice kit that includes overall everything that you need to put your screen protector. And I'm going to show you guys the screen protectors themselves as well. So this is how it is. And usually you would put it, you see these lines here? You would put it on those lines. Put these here and these here, and then you just have to follow the directions, but this is the screen protector, which is really nice.